Hello everyone. This is a video to demonstrate the working of learning management system made for RCD by us. In the front, we can see at top level, there is reference to the RCD organization. There is phone number available to it. There is Facebook button, Twitter button, Instagram button. Clicking on the particular button, it will direct us to the RCD's page. For example, clicking on the Facebook button, it directed us to the RCD's Facebook page. Same as for Instagram and Twitter button. Then moving further, we can see the introduction about the organization in the front. It all demonstrate gives us a brief about the organization. We have a video demonstrate brief giving brief of the organization. We have the development programs, the projects, the everything going under the organization. For example, clicking on read more about the projects, it will direct us to the project descriptions page. All these are the list of projects that are conducted or have been done by the organization. We have further we have all these are the introductory part, the services, the development programs that are conducted by the organization. Then we have at the footer part, we have the contact for the to contact the organization. This is a button, rcdindia@gmail. By clicking on the button, we can it will direct us directly to the mail. So person who want to contact the organization, he or she can click on it and it will direct him or her to the mailbox. Here at the top, we have courses button as well. It will direct us to the page that will show all the courses going on under the organization. These all can be accessed without login or without any registration. These all can be seen with a person who's not been logged in. Then moving on, Khushi will be explaining further.
There are two modules in this website, one of the admin and one of student. Firstly, starting with the admin module, this is the admin dashboard. Putting on the credentials, we'll be moving on to the admin dashboard. On the nav bar, we can see various options available. We'll be starting first with the courses. To add a course, there is an option available in the drop-down list. Filling the form further. The course has now been added. We'll be adding a link to it, which will originally contain all of the resources associated with any course. This can be accessed by the admins as well as the students. Next, to view different courses, there's an option for view courses. Here, as we can see, the course which we have now just added, psychology, is shown here. Along with the course details, we have various buttons in the table. Firstly, of a delete button. Through this, we can delete any course through the table itself. Next is an access course button, in which we can which we will redirect it to the link which we have just put it in it. This can be used as a link to different drives which will contain the course material. Next is mark attendance option. Through the mark attendance option, all the students enrolled with that course will be shown in this table. If we put attendance in the text box and then click on OK, it will be stored in our data. Next is mark grades. Same as mark attendance, we'll be shown a list of all the students associated with the course. The progress will consist of three options: pass, fail, or dropout, which can be put in, and OK button can be clicked to save it. Next is an option to view notices. We can add notice through the option in the nav bar. These drop-down boxes will be changed dynamically as we go on adding courses. It will be shown here. Now the notice has been sent and we can view the notices in this table through this option given in the table. We can also remove it through this button here. This notice will be shown to all the students which are enrolled with the course and also all of the notice history. Now moving on, there's also now a feature to download the CSV files of all the students enrolled within a particular course. These all options which we have seen will be available for each courses. The CSV file will consist of all the details of the students, including the attendance and progress. Next, the same can be done for the students. We can add a student by filling out a form. The students will now have been added and we can view it in the view notice option. The same delete option is also available here through which we can delete any student. As we can see, the student has been deleted. And nextly, we can download a CSV file of the entire list of the students available. This will contain all of the details of every student enrolled with RCD. Next, we can also modify the details of the students which is already registered. As we can see, the details has been modified now. Now this was all about the admin module. We can also change password which as shown for admin. Admin has to fill out all the details and then the password would be modified. This password is required while logging in. Now we can log out and move on to the next student dashboard module.
As we have seen the admin module, now moving further to the student module, logging in as a student. This is the student dashboard. Here, all the contact information that has been registered by the student will be displayed here, and the zero and pass. Zero shows the attendance of the student and pass is the progress of the student. Under the courses section, the course, it will show the course of a particular course he or she is enrolled in, and this clicking on this, it will direct us to the course material. We also have notices here. As we have seen in admin section, whatever notice of a particular course we put in, it will show to the students that are enrolled in that course. We also have the change password button similar to the admin section. Here student can change his or her already existing password. This was all about the student module.
Now coming upon our database, in our database we have majorly made 4 tables. One is for admin, one is for children, one is for courses and other for notices. In the admin table, we have all the record of the admin, that what admin name, mobile number, admin email ID and admin password. In the children table, we have all the record of the child, that is the course that the child is linked to, the name of child, date of birth, email ID, password, mobile number, address, the attendance as updated from the admin section and the progress of the child. In the courses section, we have the detail for the courses added. Here we have the course name, course ID, the link for the course, start date of the course and end date of the course. Similarly, in the notices table, we have the course ID, that what the notice is for, and the notice column in which we have the that contains the notice for that is for the course. That's all about our project.